smooth, criminal, criminal. Y ahora que vengo con nuevo flow, creo que el nene evolucionó. So here I go, yo, Astro, hold up.
Me sobra actitud, ando en la mía surfeando, bebiendo a la vega.
Creating a captivating thumbnail is an essential part of sharing your lo-fi music with the world. The visual representation of your music can grab the attention of potential listeners and convey the essence of your tunes. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps of crafting an eye-catching lo-fi music thumbnail using the user-friendly design tool, so let's get started. So, guys, first go to Google and search canva.com. When you search, you see first homepage, many options like doc, whiteboard video, YouTube thumbnail, Facebook, cover, Instagram reels, and also so you see center video options, so click this and wait. After loading, you see many templates. You select once, like I am, select this, and how I can edit this so I doesn't talk to this, you just see. After creating, you see right side share options, so click them and download this thumbnail. With Canva's user-friendly interface and the creative ideas shared in this tutorial, you now have the skills to design stunning lo-fi music thumbnails that resonate with your audience. Remember, your thumbnail is the first impression, so make it count. Experiment with different elements, styles, and colors to create a unique visual identity for your music.